Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something incredibly important, cancer. It's a topic that touches so many lives and it's crucial to understand what it is, how it affects us, and what we can do about it. So, what exactly is cancer? At its core, cancer is a disease that occurs when cells in the body begin to grow uncontrollably. Normally, our cells grow, divide, and die in a controlled way. But when this process goes wrong, cells can go out of control and form tumors. There are over 100 different types of cancer, and they can develop in almost any part of the body. The most common types include breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal cancer. But what causes these cells to go rogue? Several factors can contribute to the development of cancer. These include genetic mutations, lifestyle factors like smoking and diet, environmental exposures such as radiation, and certain infections. Genetics play a significant role. Some people inherit mutations that make them more susceptible to cancer. However, lifestyle choices can greatly influence our risk. For example, quitting smoking, eating a healthy diet, and staying active can reduce the risk of many types of cancer. When a cell's DNA is damaged, it can become cancerous. These cells can then invade surrounding tissues and spread to other parts of the body through the bloodstream or lymphatic system in a process called metastasis. Now let's talk about the signs and symptoms. Early detection is key to successful treatment. Common signs of cancer include unusual lumps, unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, changes in bowel or bladder habits, and prolonged pain. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor. Doctors use various methods to diagnose cancer, including physical exams, imaging tests like CT scans and MRIs, and biopsies where a small sample of tissue is examined under a microscope. Hearing a cancer diagnosis can be overwhelming, but there are many treatment options available. These include surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, and targeted therapy. The choice of treatment depends on the type and stage of cancer and is tailored to each individual. It's also important to highlight that many people survive cancer and go on to live fulfilling lives. Advances in medical research and treatments have significantly improved survival rates for many types of cancer. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding cancer, we can take steps to reduce our risk and support those who are affected by this disease. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Together we can make a difference. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care.